Hey everyone, it's Silverlimey79 here. I've got an unboxing. Some silver just arrived earlier today, so let's check it out. There we go. Got it my usual bullion supplier. That is Coin Invest. These are the coins I've actually been waiting for some time, so let's check it out. Let me know in the comments if you guys are expecting anything soon. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah, brilliant. There we go, I've got one of these as well. This is the landmark. It's the Royal Mint issue. British landmarks, Trafalgar Square. I got this instead of the Panda. It comes encapsulated as well. That's a nice touch. It's 2018 issue, I believe. Yep, there it is. Might take that out of the capsule in a sec. Got a Incuse Canadian maple leaf. Let's get the gloves on there. I was talking about that in the last video there. Have a look at that. It's the Incuse, it's 2018 edition. It's got those radial security lines and that on the back. Apparently these are coated with a special layer that reduces milk spots, apparently. Wow, look at that. 2018 issue, $5. Let's open this capsule here. There it is there. There you go, you guys can take a good look there. I like that background effect. It's almost like the skyline. And it's got Trafalgar Square there, 2018. These are limited as well, I believe. I think they're 25,000. It's got that similar, those lines and that on the back. Beautiful piece. I'm actually glad I got this. Yeah, the Panda actually I was waiting for a 2018 Panda, but unfortunately there was a major delay on it. So I would have only got it probably just before Christmas, so I said to the guys there at Coin Invest if they could swap it out for me as an exchange. It's not something they normally do, but due to the delay in postage they were able to accommodate me. Lovely. Let's have a look at that maple leaf there, the Incuse design. These are limited to I think 500,000, I believe. Ah, just love it. Right, these, and then I've got there's another 4 ounces in here. Oh wow! Get the gloves on again. These are the Germania, the 1 ounce Germania pieces. I thought these might actually come encapsulated, but apparently not. I will be doing a review on this, so I'm not going to show you guys too much or go through it too much. Fantastic. Look at that. Wow. Very nice indeed. I've got 3 of those, 3 ounces. I'm probably going to flip, I don't know, I might just flip 1, I might flip 2. There you go. They're the and there's this is the 2019 Kangaroo. Right, okay, I was expecting a different look, but obviously they've just taken the same look as the 2018 version. I thought that was maybe done differently, but it's the latest effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. Very nice indeed. Right guys, obviously I just checked earlier on and I've hit 500 subscribers, which is fantastic. That's phenomenal. So I will be doing a GAW relatively soon. I just need I need your help in regards to that. I need you guys to decide whether I should do a live stream GAW. So I need you to put in the comments if you want a live stream GAW for first, second and third prize. Or if you want to do it the same as we did last in the 400 sub GAW, whether we're going to do the first prize open to anyone, so if they weren't in the stream, and then second and third prize will be available for stream only. So let me know what you guys think. I'll be quite happy to try either. Put your comments down below. I'll certainly appreciate your feedback on that. Let me know what you think of these pieces. The 2019 Kangaroo. Let me know on the Germania. It's that 5 mark piece. Let me know if you'll be getting this. I know there's a few out there at the minute. Lovely. And then I've also got that Incuse Canadian Maple Leaf. I just love these. One of my favourites. One of my stackable pieces. And let me know what you think of this landmark issue. Guys, thanks very much for watching, and please hit the like button, hit the comments, please comment below, and hit the notification bell just in case this is your first visit. Thanks very much guys, and I'll let you guys know on the go, but I appreciate your feedback. Subscribe here on the left and enjoy these other videos here. Thanks so much, and see you on the next video.